I don't know how anybody can play this game. This is terrifying. This is Miss Delight. Good lord. Not delightful at all. Let's draw this. Landscape page. Pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. I have to like erase my memory after this or I won't be able to sleep. So, thanks guys. Big, terrifying eyes. So we go. Kind of like a rainbow shape, right? So, center point of my page is there. The eyes are like above. The head will be in the top half, right? So, like a rainbow curving up and down. Okay. Right, and then the bottom eyelid underneath. There. Do that shape over the other side. And then bring it underneath as well. Like so. Don't have to be the exact same size or shape or anything. And then pupil, big black pupil, carving up and down like that. And then another one. And then she has these little white circles. Not sure if they're like looking down, but they're like part of her eye anyway. So then we got like a ripped kind of mask shape, right? So it's like this zigzag sort of thing coming around, and she's got this like Joker smile here, but it's like all sort of cut or something, like her, she's like a doll, like, and it's like her face is broken. Right, and this comes around, it's like a lightning thing up the middle, and this has like all the little cracks and stuff coming off it around her eye and everything. Kind of maybe eyebrows, kind of, or eyelid sort of line there. And then we go underneath her eye, up the other side. And then there's a big mouth sort of line, right, coming down here. Now it's kind of random. You don't have to do it exactly like mine. It can be, you know, different shapes. Just once you make it look kind of broken, sort of, you should be good. Okay. Teeth inside here. So basically top teeth, you do kind of the gum line first, right? So we go bumping across. Starting sort of underneath this eye here, and it's going to end over here somewhere. So we're just going to keep going with this. So a bumping gum line. Can you get skinnier maybe in the corner there? Each of these will be a tooth, right? So you go down and around. Kind of get bigger in the middle. Well, that one is pointier. And then this has like lines that like skin that sort of, or flesh kind of, that joins up to the side of her mouth and the bottom of her gum line as well, down here. So then the bottom teeth, same sort of thing again, just like bumping around here. Right. And then each of these be a tooth, and they're like molars at the back and the kind of flat ones at the front, right? So your molars kind of look a bit square. And then you get kind of flat here. But you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then her tongue just sort of in here somewhere. And then her mouth's all dark inside there. You could color it black, or you could go like flesh colored at the back. It's up to you. So all this flesh has like, you know, wrinkles and all this stuff on it, like torn flesh and madness. Horror games, they're nuts these days. So just like all this sort of texture and stuff on it. So then her face is these big cheeks, right, and small chin. So small sort of little round chin, right, real doll face. So small chin, and then these big doll-like cheeks that come around like here. And then this goes all the way down to the chin there then. Same on this side pretty much. Big round cheeks. And then goes into the chin. And then she has these little pink circles on her cheek as well. So, yeah, like, you could draw them or just do it with color. It is completely up to you. Right, and again, she's kind of dirty and scratched, like, and cracked. She's cracked, right? So she's not clean. You want to add these little textures and dots and cracks and stuff. Okay, terrifying face. So her hair, big blonde hair. So she's got this fringe that kind of parts above this eye. Right, so you can put a little sort of V there. And then hair will go down either side, right? So we go, just curve it down on her eye kind of, and then onto her cheek. Kind of around the cheek. Comes down here. It's like a little, it's a bit messy, you know, there's some bits that kind of stick off the bottom. And then it goes around to like a spiral. So it goes like, and like, this is kind of bumpy. And there's like gaps, you know, like this kind of thing. And then like a big sort of spiral here in the middle. And all this texture and stuff. Do 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 do. Right, and this kind of starts to go back up here. Kind of bumps around. This way. And again, there's like textures and stuff up on it. Just coming up around here. So, and there would be like little spikes sticking up here. And there's a bow on her head somewhere here. So, like a standard kind of red bow, just in this gap here somewhere. You just do like the center part, like a love heart sort of shape thing. And then there's a bit of a bow. Same on this side. And then all hairlines and texture lines and stuff coming up around underneath it and everything. Okay, and this is all hair and texture. And then like another big round spiral on this side of her neck. So it comes down like side of her head. I think you can see her like her cheek, kind of just like a shadow in here, I think, on her sort of forehead. So this will go down that way. Come around her cheek again. And another sort of spiral, big spirally thing. And like big curving. And we'll put a bit of a gap in this. There's loads of texture. And then this goes up to the top of her head up here somewhere. Right, and then texture is always important on hair. So you're just following the shape of the way the hair falls. Kind of thinking it's flowing like kind of water kind of a thing. And you're just adding some lines like that. Neck is real small, so we'll go down here and add a neck. So like a very small doll-like neck. There's a line on it. And then she has a white collar. It's curving down around like so. And then a white collar on the other side. Around her neck. And she's got a tie. Seems to go underneath her shirt collar there. And it's kind of hanging off there, I think. Is it like broken or ripped or something? Maybe. And then it goes in behind her blue dungarees. I think we can see her shoulder maybe. Going off there, and then she has like a strap. The other strap is torn. There's like a little section here, so the other strap is like hanging down. Just there, it's like stitching and all lines on the denim. And I think so her other shoulder should be like in there somewhere. And then there's like more, this is all hair in behind here, so. Like so. Right, oh yeah, so her shirt is like all ripped. So what am I looking at here? So I think this is like, so she's got like a tear in her yellow shirt, it looks like. And then her arm just goes down that way. Armpit area, and then sort of doll skin there. Like her armpit goes down that way. And that's all kind of dirty and scratched and stuff. And her other shoulder is not as torn, so it just goes down off the page that way. And an armpit sort of fold in there. Boom. Textures, like top of an apple or something here. And everything's dirty. Textures, little dots and scratches and stuff. Miss. Not delight. Not delight at all. Miss. It's terrifying. And now to draw something that's not scary. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.